The symbolism behind lifting the bride's dress.
Hello everyone! Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most recognizable and intriguing traditions in wedding ceremonies, lifting the bride's dress. It's not just about the act itself, there's a rich tapestry of symbolism and history behind it. Let's explore.
What is the origin of this tradition?
The act of lifting the bride's dress has its roots in various cultures, spanning across continents and eras. Historically, it was seen as a gesture of trust and intimacy. It was not just a simple action. It signified the groom's commitment to taking care of his bride and was an intimate act of unveiling, symbolizing the beginning of their new life together.
What does it symbolize today?
In contemporary weddings, lifting the bride's dress can symbolize several things. 1. Unity and oneness. It signifies two people becoming one in marriage. Lifting the dress can be likened to unveiling their future, ready to face whatever comes their way, together. 2. Transition to domestic life. Lifting or holding the dress, especially during the threshold ceremony, can indicate the bride's transition from her father's home to her husband's home. 3. Trust and vulnerability. By allowing her dress to be lifted, the bride is showing trust in her partner. It's a moment of vulnerability, signifying that she's opening herself up to her partner both emotionally and physically.
Are there any variations to this tradition?
Yes, across cultures, the act of lifting the dress can differ. For instance, in some cultures, it's not the groom but a close female relative or a bridesmaid who helps in lifting or managing the dress. The act itself may not always be about lifting. It could be about arranging, holding, or even just touching a specific part of the dress. Sometimes, the symbolism is not just about the couple but can include their families or even the community as a whole. Lifting the bride's dress in a wedding ceremony is more than just a physical act. It's laden with emotion, symbolism, and cultural significance. Next time you witness this act at a wedding, you'll know that there's a deeper meaning behind it. We hope this insight enriches your understanding and appreciation of this beautiful tradition. Cheers to love and unity!